Hello everyone, my name is Rojika and welcome back to my channel Learn with Rojika. This is the last video of problems on average series and we will be completing question number 5 on this, which is from SSC 2008. Let's read the question. It says if the average of m numbers is n square and that of n numbers is m square, then the average of m plus n number is. We are provided with 4 options over here. Now let's understand the question. It says if the average of m numbers is n. So let's say the sum, or I'll just write the formula first. We know the average formula for average is actual sum divided by number of terms. Okay, so actual sum divided by number of terms, this is the average. Now if the average of m numbers, over here the number of terms is provided, it is m, and the average is provided, it is n square. That means average, actual number of terms, it is m, and average, it is n square. Now let's say the actual sum is m. And now this is let. Okay, we are letting, or we are assuming that the actual sum is m in this case. Now let us do the same for the next one. That of n numbers is m. Over here this is also for n numbers. This is m square as provided, and let us assume that the actual sum is n. Okay, sum of n numbers. Now okay. Next, then the average of m plus n numbers. Over here m plus n, both the numbers are being added. Now understand over here, sum of m numbers is m that we have assumed, and sum of n numbers is n. This is also what we have assumed. So if we are calculating both together, we are calculating the average of m and n. So the sum of m numbers plus sum of n numbers, that will be m plus n over here. Okay, fine. Now from these two equations, that is 1 and 2, let's move a bit forward. Over here we can find the value of m, which is n square m. Okay, this m will go and multiply to n square. The same way, value of n over here is m square into n. Fine. So we got the value of m and n from these two equations. Now we can put the value over here to find the average of m plus n numbers, equals to, what is the value of m? N square m plus n is m square n. Now we will divide that with m plus n. Over here mn, this is common in both, so we will take it as common mn, and the remaining part is, from here m is already taken. Now it is n square, 1n is taken, so the remaining is 1n inside it, plus the same way 1m is gone over here and the n is gone, so 1m is left. Now divide it with m plus n. Now n plus m plus n, same thing, so that this can be cancelled out, so the remaining part is mn. And this is our answer. That means option B is the correct answer. The average of m plus n numbers is mn, when the average of m numbers is n square and n numbers is m square. So this is all for problems on average. If you have any other question in your mind, or if you are stuck with any other question, send me those questions. You can write those questions in the comment box, or you can send a snap of it. I will try my best to answer that for you. So till then, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and bye-bye.